Hey, what's going on? Check this out. I got the Stylo 4, and I noticed that the sound was really low when I first got it, and that's actually the first thing I didn't like. And I'm pretty sure you're watching this video because you're having the same kind of thing happen to you. So I'm going to show you a video on how to raise the volume on there. Check it out. Go to settings. Then you go to sound. You scroll down to... I wasn't even looking. Hold on. No, actually, I'm sorry. It's not sound. It's man, hold on, man. Let me see. The heck is it? I think it is sound, man. Where did I pass it at? Yeah. Sound. Okay. Sound quality and effects. See the volume here? Make sure that's as far up as you can go. I put normalize on there. That way all the media plays at the same volume. But see, what you want to do is go to the equalizer. Click on equalizer. And go down to custom. And then you raise all these up like this. Then you press OK. And now your volume will be loud. You are welcome.